In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a successful email in Mailchimp. So before creating your email, make sure that you decide your goal first. Ask yourself questions like, do you want more sales, website visits, or event sign-ups? Having a clear goal helps you design a focused message. Next is write a strong subject line. Your subject line is the first thing people see. Make sure that you keep it short, clear, and engaging so subscribers want to open your email. Next is use Mailchimp's drag and drop builder to create a simple layout with clear sections. Try adding images, headings, and short paragraphs to keep the email easy to read. Every email that succeeds needs a call to action. Make sure that you add a button like Shop Now, Learn More, or Sign Up to guide readers on what to do next. Lastly, always preview your email and send a test to yourself. Make sure that you check how it looks on both desktop and mobile before sending it to your audience. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!